Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back. It's a Laugh It Up extravaganza. Actually doing several of these back to back. So it's kind of like I'm doing a lot of drinking and it's early morning. So what I wanted to do for you, I've got a Royal Cup signature cold brew coffee ready to drink, 12 fluid ounces. I'm gonna shake it up too. I don't hear it, see where it says. It's the French roast edition, and I'm telling you, I have high expectations, and I ain't lying. You like that? No, this is it's an interesting thing. I found it in Walmart, and there were two of them. There's this, and then there's a rainforest something. It's coffee, but lightly sweetened dark roast. By the way, calories 80. It's not bad, and serving 1 per container. Awesome. 5 milligrams of sodium. Yeah. 20 grams carbs. 18 of those are from sugars. 1 gram protein. Yeah, 440 milligrams of potassium, 21 milligrams of calcium. I mean, it says ingredients are coffee, water, and sugar. Low acid, all natural. Where's this come from? Alabama. Wait. Yeah. Birmingham. Royal Cup. Brewed and bottled by Royal Cup. Yeah. Shake it up. Best by January 23rd, 2019. There's a big old batch number on here, so and it's new to me. Some of you might be all like, it's a Royal Cup, man. Where have you been? What rock have you been under? I need to point out that I live in East Texas. We have red clay and white sand and pine trees. So if I'm going to be under a rock, it's probably made of red clay or something. Oh, that's this might sound bad. It smells like hotel coffee. Oh, it does smell like hotel coffee. I mean, coffee's coffee. I mean, obviously there are different scents and different aromas, but when you're doing like community or some earlier like Folger stuff, or if you're at a gas station pumping out the hot coffee, this is a very, very familiar scent. For one, there's no cream. It is dark coffee, which I don't usually drink my coffee. I have a little coffee with my creamer and sugar, just so we're clear. And this is straight up black coffee. I don't know if it's because it's cold, and I wonder if this should be like, if you can't heat this, like pour it into a cup and heat it. But there's this cold, sour hit right when you first drink it. And it's the beans, It's just the beans. It's the beans' knees. If knees had beans. If beans had knees. It's not good. Honestly, I said, I think that with a little creamer or some, like, maybe a little more sugar, but not by much. This is kind of sweet. It's not bad, but the beans overpower. There's something. It overpowers. It's something sour. It makes me cower. I'm not a fan. I'm disappointed. I know it sounds bad, and I'm not like, totally horribly disappointed, but like I was expecting a bit more, I think. And honestly, I think it has to do with just like if they added a creamer, it might not be so bad. I don't drink black coffee, mostly because it's just there's that bitter taste to it, and I'm just not a fan of it. But that being said, you might like it. And like I said, with a little creamer and maybe some sugar, mostly I'd say just a little creamer, this might be a pretty darn nice drink. I'm gonna take it to the shop, I'm gonna add some creamer, I'm gonna try it, and I'll put down in the notes if it helped. I'm just not a straight black coffee fan, and I've got to put that into perspective in my grading, because it's one of those things where, like, to me, not my jam, but some people might really like it. Some people like cold coffee, straight up. So I'm gonna give it a 2, and I'm gonna give it a 4. It's underneath my tolerance level, but it's not too far down. The Linkin Park song, anyway. So yeah, tell me what you think. Have you tried it? Is it good to you? I mean, how do you feel about it? Honestly, I just, like I said, it's not great, and I'm not rinsing my mouth there or anything, but high expectations, low results. As life, lowered expectations. I might get sued for that. Anyway, yes, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, do all the fun stuff. I really have. I got a bunch more stuff going on. I'm really interested. I got a few more drinks going on here, and I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you keep on watching. Hope you have a great time. Hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed my face. Hashtag Wolfpack. Ow! And this is me wishing you health, wealth, and love. Enough time and gusto to enjoy it all down to the last drop. Unless you don't like to drink it. And then put it away and find something you do like and drink it to the last drop. Bye, guys.